Hi guys,
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel.
welcome back. हम लोग फिर से गायब हो गए थे।
I think आपको थोड़ा जोर से बोलने की जरूरत है.
ठीक है, फिर से हम लोग गायब हो गए थे। MIA again. But now we are back with a big update, and वो update ये है कि we have moved back to India. Now we
Yes,
quit our jobs in the US.
that was a very big decision for us to take
Yeah, it was a
uh,
big decision.
because the last video was us moving into a new house. We were all settled in,
Yeah,
and so it was a huge decision for us to make to come back to India and start from scratch
again,
again.
again.
Yeah.
Um, After moving several continents and reaching US and building everything that we built there, we called quits and we are restarting our lives again, but now in India. And I think India is a great place to be and to build what we are building. And no, we are not opening another restaurant.
So coming back to India was starting something of our own.
Yeah,
We didn't really want to open up a restaurant. That was our initial dreams when we went studying pastry arts and culinary arts. But then being in the business, actually, we learned a lot of lessons. And hence, I don't think India needs another restaurant right now.
hmm,
What it needs is health and wellness. So that is something in which we are creating a D2C brand.
yeah. So, uh, yes, health and wellness and a D2C brand, that is what we are building. um, Hydration being the core to our niche, which we would talk about more in the future videos. But this video is more about,
Life update.
yeah, it is like a life update, and this is really big for us. Um, a
And
big,
you guys have been like supporting us since our previous videos as well.
yeah,
So, of course, sharing this huge update about our lives was inevitable.
yeah,
And we really want you guys to, sort of support us, and whoever is following us, do just try out our product, whatever comes out.
yeah, try it out for sure. Um, but beyond that, we have had great time settling in. We moved to India in September
Last year.
in 2024, and we have been working on what we are building right now since January of 2024.
Yeah.
And it took us a whole year to from ideation to quitting jobs to moving country and to resettle again. It just took a lot from us. So we were not able to create a lot of videos previously. And India के amazing बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. We saw so many of our friends and family
Yeah.
after like so many years. It was great seeing them, and yeah, and a lot of struggles forming the company and everything that goes behind it. It
I think
has,
struggles have been both forming the company, starting a business, and on personal lives also, moving countries and settling again in India. We have always lived in India, but then एक बारी बाहर चले जाते हैं तो वापस आके ऐसा लगता है ना कि
yeah, that
like,
is like a very common question that
yeah,
everyone asks is कि
why
वहाँ
did you?
why did you do this? And
Yeah.
simple answer is कि we wanted to build something of our own, and what would be a better place than your own country to really do it and share it with our own people, right?
That, yeah, 100%.
Yeah, so we would create more updates as well moving forward. Again, another promise which I would try, both of us would try to live up to. Uh, yeah, that's pretty much it. Yeah, do you want to add anything else?
No, that yes, now from now on, we will be regular in posting our videos and giving you updates about like what we are building and what we are actually here to do in India.
Yeah,
जिसके लिए हमने यूएस छोड़ा, जो कि बहुत लोगों का कंसर्न है
yeah,
आज तक भी
yeah,
कि तुम लोग गलती वापस आ गए.
yeah,
But I don't think we are doing it for them. We are doing it for ourselves, right?
yeah, no, absolutely. We are doing it for ourselves, and we want to share it with more and more and more people and build a community that lasts, you know.
Yeah.
So that's pretty much it. That was like a quick-ish update. We will make more such stuff moving forward. So we'll see you when we see you.
Bye, guys.
Bye. See ya.